Hello, Shortridge. I'm Marquisha.
And I'm Nylisha, and we are
Devils in the Details. It's Spirit Week. I sure hope that everyone is wearing their neon colors today, but you guys really rocked the 70s yesterday.
That's right. Let's all shine bright. Tomorrow, I'm expecting everyone to twin with each other. Who's going to the homecoming dance Friday?
For those who are, tomorrow is the last day to get your tickets. Tickets will be sold during lunch. See Miss Smith in room 219 if you have any questions. Also during lunch, Indiana Votes will have a lunch and learn. Today for students to register to vote.
If you will be 18 before November 6th, please see Miss Dalton at the lunch table.
Let's make a moment of silence in honor of those who have passed during the tragic events of 9/11. Remember to make sure you twin with someone tomorrow.
Well, that's all of our deets for the Devils.